Hello from the EPCOT parking lot. It's my day off, and it's super late. It's about almost 6 o'clock right now. It's Tuesday, February 25th, which means one thing. Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind is finally virtual queue free. You finally can just jump in line whenever you want. Whatever wait time is there, you can wait your wait time. So that's what we're doing here today. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see if there's any updates to the check-in process or the walk-up queue, if there's any changes to that. If there's a single rider line, we'll see if there's a thing like that. I don't think there is. Over at MagicKingdom, Tiana's Bayou adventure also got rid of the virtual queue, so you can jump in that ride anytime you want to. If MagicKingdom closes at 10, so if there's time tonight, I might jump in over there too, just to try that out. Why not knock out both in the same day? Fun times. But we're really here at EPCOT to check out Guardians of the Galaxy, check out the new queue, how it is, enjoy our time here, but most importantly, we're gonna go enjoy the day. Walking up, I hear that epic EPCOT music, I love it. Spaceship Earth in the background there. Beautiful shot. And we made it into EPCOT, and as you can see, all signage for Festival of the Arts is completely gone. This is, of course, in preparation for Flower and Garden Festival. That actually starts next week. I think it's March 5th. And there's the hottest girl in school. I'm so excited I'm here right now. This was something I planned super last minute. So I just checked out the queue for Guardians of the Galaxy on the Disney app. Right now it's at a 70-minute wait, which, you know what? I don't even mind waiting. Let's just jump in and see what happens. I love this ride. I love Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind. And I've been waiting for this moment to just be able to jump in line whenever for so long. Some Disney magic here. Awesome. Did you make this? Oh, it's amazing. I don't need to keep saying how much I love this ride. It's phenomenal. I think it might be one of the better rides at Disney right now. What really makes this ride is the soundtrack. I think I've ridden this ride at least, I really can't put a number on it, probably around, it's definitely under 12 times. And there's 6 songs that you can get when you ride this ride. I've gotten 5 of the 6. I've gotten One Way or Another, like what feels like 200 times. I've gotten Conga a few times by Gloria Estefan. September was actually the first song I ever got on this ride, and I've gotten that plenty of times too. I Ran by Flock of Seagulls, man, just give me something new already. I've been waiting since this ride has opened, I don't know, what, 3 years ago? I've been wanting Everybody Wants to Rule the World by Tears for Fears so bad that every time I come here to go ride this ride, I listen to it on the way here, just for like some good luck, and it never has brought me good luck. Maybe today. All right, here we go, 65 minutes. There is an extended queue outside the building, which I've never seen used before. 70 minutes, standby queue. Let's go in. All right, the time is 6:03, so 70 minutes. By 7:13, we should be heading into this ride. We'll see how that goes. And 5 minutes later, we're inside the building. 6:08 p.m. right now, and we're moving. About 30 minutes in. Moving right along. This might be a little shorter than 70 minutes, but I'm not holding my breath. And we get a wonderful look at Xandar.
These spaceports also connect to a system of underwater hydroplanes, linking to other transportation.
The voiceover here at the Xandar diorama was talking about the delicacy of the Xandarian snail. Now hear me out. I want a Xandarian snail on one of these EPCOT food festivals.
The Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang.
Welcome, people of EPCOT, EPCOTers, EPCOTians, citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Cringe. Cringe every time someone screams something out.
What? I'm on?
The cosmic generator is gone.
Clear your mind. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off the...
This music makes me feel like I'm actually in the Marvel movie right now. I'm on a mission. And pretty much 70 minutes to the dot, 7:09. We're about to get on the ride.
Tears for Fears, come on! Tears for Fears!
best ride in all of the Disney parks. Actually, there's an asterisk next to that only because Dinosaur is closing. That's it. But that ride, man, it has all the makings of a perfect ride. It has the thrill factor, it has the music, it has the soundtrack, it has the story. Man, what a great ride. And the visuals in that ride are insane. We hopped in at a good time because right now it's at a 95-minute wait. We ended up getting Conga on our ride through of Cosmic Rewind, which, again, wasn't the song I was hoping for and dreaming for, but here's the thing. I don't need a virtual queue anymore. I can hop in line right now if I wanted to and wait 95 minutes. What I'm gonna have to do is eventually make a video of me just riding Cosmic Rewind over and over again until I get Tears for Fears, Everybody Wants to Rule the World. It's gonna happen. It's just gonna happen. Tiana's Bayou Adventure, who also kicked the virtual queue line to the curb, is at a 20-minute wait right now over at MagicKingdom. So let's just go be crazy and jump on a monorail over at MagicKingdom right now and go on Tiana's Bayou Adventure. Let's get wet. Okay, I'm walking in the breezeway between Future World and the center of EPCOT. Who remembers that right where I'm standing right now, there used to be a vendor here that sold balls, like balloon balls? Am I going crazy? I remember there was like giant balls, small balls, and they would just throw them at kids. That sounds... One monorail down. Ooh, Happily Ever After just started. Man, I wish I could have caught that. On to the next monorail though. I've been coming to Disney my whole life, but I don't think I've ever gotten a whole monorail cabin to myself before. This is crazy. This is fun. Another first time ever on this journey. I can say anything I want to right now, and no one will hear it. I farted. Sabrina Carpenter is super hot. I have hemorrhoids. Look at that. Completely empty. Made it into MagicKingdom for the tail end of Happily Ever After. I love this show. And it smells like bacon in here. Why does it smell like bacon?
Bacon is good for me.
As much as I love Happily Ever After and I love this show, we have other things to attend to. I'm here to see a girl about a Bayou adventure. I think right now would be a perfect time to talk about this recent celebrity crush I've developed. But man, Sabrina Carpenter, man, I'm new. I know I'm late to the whole fad of Sabrina Carpenter and stuff. I know she has some like really big hit songs. I know the Espresso song, and I know the other song that got really popular. Can't remember what it is right now. But I never really heard any of the songs all the way through. I've never seen the music video, but then I was scrolling the other day, just on Instagram or something like that, and I came across a clip of Miss Sabrina Carpenter. And I was just entranced by it. But then I went to YouTube and I watched the Espresso music video, and then I watched the other music video, and then I went down this whole rabbit hole of just like Sabrina Carpenter clips of her interviews and some SNL clips, and I get it now. I get it. I won't talk about what clips I saw because there's kids around, but Sabrina, if you see this, you know, I know you're like 9 years younger than me, but so Tiana's just reopened. It's about a 10-minute wait, so I'm gonna jump in right now and try out this normal queue for the first time. 10-minute wait for Tiana's. It's a little chilly out right now. It's in the 60s, so this might be a terrible decision. This is the vibe at a late night at MagicKingdom with no virtual queue for Tiana's. You're gonna be walking right in. Look at that. Attention, 50-foot plunge. You may get wet. All right, we got some back row magic here. Last time I rode this, I was in the front row, now I'm in the back. It's beautiful at night. Last time I rode this, it was also in the daytime. Oh man.
Welcome, y'all. Next we have the Lewis to find some musicians for our rock.
love Sabrina Carpenter more. Almost there.
Calling all musicians.
It's so crazy. This is the second time I rode this now, but I still feel Splash Mountain, but it's not. Squash, we got pumpkins, we got purple pod beans. Purple pod beans. A little PPV action. But now we're going down the bayou. Going down the bayou. Going down the bayou.
Tiana was right. There are musicians out here and they are cooking.
Play Wonderwall. Play Wonderwall.
We'll ask them.
Tiana, tell them to play Wonderwall. Guys, you need to play louder. I can barely hear you. We're about to get so tiny. Oh, snap. Giant mushroom.
We have to find them.
Giant bottle of whiskey. Giant key to my heart, Sabrina. Hell yeah. What a party. It's like I'm in New Orleans again. Oh man, Tiana's like, you have to be this tall to ride this ride, baby. Smells good in the exit for Tiana's Bayou. They also got the music playing that they play in the hotel room for Port Orleans Riverside. It's like a different version of it. Man, that reminds me of my stay at Port Orleans Riverside. And just like that, we've done both Tiana's Bayou Adventure and Guardians of the Galaxy Cosmic Rewind with no virtual queue. I want to say these 3 words, and no, it's not I love you to Sabrina Carpenter. It's quick, easy, and painless. Those are my 3 words to describe this night. The virtual queue system is gone. It's completely gone out of the parks right now. I don't know if they'll ever bring it back. They might if something new opens up, but it's gone, and I'll be honest, I am thoroughly a fan of no virtual queue right now. I think giving the option of waiting or not waiting is the way to go. Like earlier, we went to Guardians of the Galaxy. We waited about 70 minutes. You know, that was the quoted wait time, was exactly 70 minutes. I have no problem waiting 70 minutes, but I guarantee if you go like an hour to park close, that wait time's gonna go down to 40, 30, something like that. Tiana's was legit a 10-minute wait. Walked in the queue or right onto the ride and had a blast doing it. All in all, I think this is the way that theme parks should be right now. We're at that point now with the newer rides like Tron, Ratatouille, Cosmic Rewind, and now Tiana's, even Rise of Resistance. 5 of the major rides at all 4 of these theme parks are all now general standby queues. And I'm a huge fan of that. I think that's gonna be very positive for the people here that come here on vacation and the people that have annual passes too. It felt good not having to wake up at 7 a.m. or even be in the parks at 1 o'clock and constantly refresh your phone, just to get in the queue for a ride. It felt good. It felt good just to be able to walk in and seamlessly go through. Anyways, thanks for joining. I know this was a super quick video. I didn't need anything in this video just because it was like, go, go, go. If you sat here and watched the whole thing, hey, thanks, I appreciate that. I'm just a dude who bought a camera and decided to record one day. I would never force anyone to sit here and watch me talk for 20 minutes or however long this video is. So if you did that, we're friends now, and I appreciate that. Thank you. Unless, of course, you're Sabrina Carpenter, then, you know, maybe we can just hear each other talk over a cup of coffee or espresso. see what I did there? Anyways, had a great time going to Guardians of the Galaxy. Had a fantastic time doing Tiana's Bayou Adventure. But most importantly, I enjoyed my day. Thanks for joining me. Remember to stay hydrated, and good night.